Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to export OneNote files. Here's a step guide to export OneNote files on your mobile device. First is to open the OneNote app, then sign in with your Microsoft account if you aren't already logged in. On the home screen, go to the notebook list and locate and tap the notebook you want to export. Tap the section to open the page you want. Then tap on the page you want to share with. In the upper right corner, tap the three-dot menu. From the menu, choose Send. Choose whether you want to send as PDF or send a copy plain text. If you choose plain text, OneNote will prepare the page. Select the format. Usually, PDF is available for exporting. After conversion, a share menu will appear. Choose where to save or send the file, for example, Google Drive, OneDrive, email, or local storage. Tap Save or Send to complete the export. Go to your selected destination, for example, Files app, Drive, or email to confirm the exported OneNote file is stored there. Take note, you can only export individual pages as PDFs, not entire notebooks. Full notebook exports are only possible via OneNote desktop on Windows. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.